In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to use Ringy CRM. So basically with the Ringy, we're gonna be able to manage our leads and drip campaigns. We can also take a look at the calling, SMS, everything within the Ringy CRM. Now, if we go to pricing, we're gonna have to, as you can see here, we have only one plan, which is $109 per month. Then we have additional like call scripting, AI tools, etc. that are gonna cost like $10 per month in plus, or this one here, Power Dialer, which is $70 per month. But overall, that's the price. Now, all we have to do is simply log in and import leads manually or via integrations, organize contacts with tags, filters, and custom fields. Then we can set up drip campaigns using SMS, email, and call sequences, and then track interactions and conversions through the sales pipeline dashboard. So basically, that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching.